This is an emergency alert of the United Citizen Federation. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. An unidentified body from space is soon going to hit the city of Buenos Aires. Stay calm and follow the instructions. Don't try to escape. Trying to escape will only waste time. Seek for shelter. Find an underground room with minimal windows. The best would be a basement or a panic. This is an emergency broadcast from the Federation capital Geneva. A few days ago, the city of Buenos Aires in South America was completely destroyed by an asteroid launched by the arachnids of Clintac, who is estimated it had a diameter of 500 square meters, a speed of 17 kilometers per hour, and an angle of 45 degrees. Full stop. Current estimates report 12,500,000 seriously injured and 8,700,000 deaths. It is estimated that the asteroid came from Clintac, home planet of the arachnids. In response to this devastating attack, the Security Council met in Geneva and decided to mobilize the mobile infantry and fleet on Clintac on a large scale. The aim is to contain and neutralize the threat of the bugs. Stay tuned for more updates. The safety of our species depends on our unity and determination. May the Force be with us.